just don't know what to do with myself. I wonder what I can do. I think I'll go and see Fizz. Ah, yes.
Nice. Oh, hello, Jake.
Oh, hello. What are you doing, Fizz?
Oh, I'm making a necklace. I want it to be really pretty, so I'm painting the pasta first, like this.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to put this glitter on it.
Yeah.
Oh, and then when it's dry, I'll string it all together. Want to help?
No. I don't want to make a necklace.
Oh, okay, Jake.
I wonder what Bella's doing.
Tea for you and tea for me. You sit down, I'll stand.
Hi, Bella. What are you doing?
I'm bathing an elephant, Jake.
Really?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm having a tea party and he can't come in because it's for toys only, in private.
Well, I don't want to come, Bella.
Oh, sorry about that. It's my next door neighbour. He's only little.
Why?
Are you still there, Jake?
Milo looks busy.
Oh, turn it on, John! Oh, hello, mate. Have you come for your memo tea?
What? No. What's he doing?
Oh, I'm fixing a truck. This is a garage, and I'm the garage man, and I'll fix them when they're broken, see?
But that truck wasn't broken, Milo.
Oh, yeah, I know, but, well, I had to break it so I could fix it.
Oh, I see.
Achoo! Oh, something in my eyes. Achoo!
Oh.
Dear, the dust is getting to me. Achoo! Oh, excuse me.
Hi, Max. Have you got a cold?
No, Jake. It's the dust. It gets up my nose and it makes
no.
it makes me. Achoo!
Oh, can I help you clean, Max? I can swish with that feathery thingy.
Well, yes, if you like, Jake.
Great.
Don't you want to play with the others?
Oh, no, not really.
Yeah.
Can I use that feathery thingy to get rid of the dust for you, Max? My mum sometimes lets me do it at home.
Oh, well, I suppose so, young Jake. This is a feather duster. Now, you could go around all the areas dusting away all those spooky cobwebs.
Yeah.
I'll join you in a minute and follow you around. I'll sweep up with me dustpan and brush.
Come on, Dusty.
Dusty?
Dusty Spring Clean.
Oh. Achoo!